Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js Canva clone editor directly in the browser where you can actually make thumbnails, social media graphic templates, anything. So this is actually a React project. I've given the link here. You can directly purchase the full source code of this script. It's directly developed in React. As you can see, we are using the latest version. This is a package JSON file. We are using quite a number of third-party libraries. First of all, Konva, Konva. This is a graphics library for React developers. Specifically, we are using this. We are also using for PDF export. We are also using JS PDF library as well. ANTD, this library as well. We are also using Redux, React Router, React Conva, all these libraries. So it's a full directory structure, full project. Once you purchase it, you will get all these files. You will be able to modify the source code or add additional features as well. So we are running it locally. In this video, I'm showing you a short little demo of this. So I've given the link in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code. So now coming back to the application, this is actual Canva clone kind of an editor. So here you get this nice little canvas. Here you can add uh, things or delete things. You can add multiple pages as well. So this is, as you can see, we can delete this page. Now we can add anything. So as I click add text, so here you can add text with multiple fonts. We can change the font size. Everything we can control here. As you can see, if you want to control the color of the text, you can even do that as well. Now if you want to actually load a photograph or image, you can even do that as well. Third parties support as well. You can use stock footage like this. So just click on any single image, that image will be added to the canvas. So you can see how easy it is to actually make thumbnails or graphics. Apart from that, we also have different shapes that Canva support here. You click on the individual shape here. You can even upload your own images as well. Simply click the upload button, and right here you can even bring your own images as well. So there is also that support is also given. You can also bring your own graphics as well and just place it everything. You can control it using your mouse, just the placement, everything you can control right here. After you are happy, you can export this canvas right here. Click the download button and you can have three options. You can either export this to a PNG, JPG or PDF. If I say PDF, everything this canvas will be converted to a PDF file here. So you will see that. So how easy it is. And same thing, we can do this as a PNG image as well. So this will actually export this to a thumbnail. So it's a really useful application, guys. Canva clone editor. It has all the features. You can even duplicate a certain page as well by clicking the duplicate button. You can even save your work by saving the template. So this is actual project, guys. If you are interested, you you can definitely purchase the full source code. This will be the directory structure you will get. I have given the link in the description. From here you can purchase it.